I'm so nervous. Oh my god. It's like 10:30 at night. And I'm going, I'm booking into the hospital where I'm getting the surgery in about 9 hours. Why is it so warm in Ireland? Like, this is really not good recovery weather. I'm so wetting, and I'm going to be in a compression bra for a month.
And I'm going to be so warm. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous.
Can I like just like skip the whole recovery part? Like, I'm just don't want to actually like go to the hospital and have like the actual surgery, and I don't actually want to go through the pain. And
I'm really scared. I'm really nervous.
hello. So it's 5 o'clock in the morning, and I'm getting ready in my pajamas. Getting ready and go to surgery. It could be soon, it could be a few hours away. There's a few people, 5 in total, getting surgery with my surgeon today. I'm no less stressed than yesterday, but here we go.
Hi! Gives a smile for the camera. You're out of it. You're out of it now.
Hello.
2 minutes after surgery. Back in the room.
Oh, this time.
After 2 hours.
Oh. 290.
290.
10 under C.
Huh?
10 under C.
1000.
Under C. Or 10 under C.
What's 1000?
10 plus N C. Equal 20.
You need to go to the toilet. You're not allowed to go. Yeah? So do you remember anything?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Is there done by alcohol? No, nothing.
Start up with alcohol.
Oh.
Oh. How are you feeling? Just take.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No shit.
Yeah, that's great. That's great, yeah.
Equal 20.
Yeah, it's all going into the
Oh.
mental left and right. How, when you say over?
Sweet.
Yeah, when you mind the tightness.
Oh my god.
What?
I have to go to the toilet.
What is?
Yeah.
That's alright, that's just...
Concentrate.
Huh?
Hello guys, so it's a good few hours after surgery now. It's 6:30 and I went in at 10:15. Oh my god, I was so fast. Like, definitely the most nervous was sitting around from around 7:15 to 10:15. And yeah, I went down, and when they were doing the anesthesia they were just talking about, oh, what you do for fun. And I was like, oh, I don't really drink. Oh Jesus, how would you not drink? Ah, you're great and all that. Within seconds I was gone. And all I remember then is, Alexis, Alexis. And I wake up and I'm like cross-eyed. I'm like, hi, is it over? And the first question I asked is, what CCs did I get? And they told me that I got 295. So I am absolutely delighted. 295. If you asked me about 2 months ago what I wanted, I would have said 375. But no, I want to actually be able to find nice clothes. I want to be able to be comfortable and not have them that big, and basically I just don't want back pain. So it's absolutely amazing. 295 is exactly what I would have wanted, and that's what I got. Hello, it's now 9:30 on the night that I got surgery. I'm now walking around the room just so I don't go insane. I just want to make sure that I'm just getting around, because I can't sit in that bed too long. It's very warm, as I said in my update last night. I wish it wasn't this warm in Ireland. Yes, I shouldn't be complaining about having good weather in Ireland, because we never get it, but it's just not a really good time to be having such a heat wave when I'm trying to recover, because it's uncomfortable to be like compressed into these clothes and not able to actually bloom and breathe. I just feel really icky and sweaty. Icky, ew. Hi, it's 4:40 at night and I can't sleep. It's just really, really tight. And I slept from 10:30 p.m. to 3 a.m. and haven't been able to get back to sleep since. So I'm just on my phone